Okay, I'm at the Paradiso Waterfall Complex. This is the highest point, and my goal is to go in all 8 waterfall sections of this complex. Sun is setting. I've got about 45 minutes to go into all of them, so it's probably going to get into the dark by the time I'm finishing the last few. But this is the top one. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to make my way over and go for the little swim. I think the dip down here is absolutely beautiful. So, let the games begin. 8 swims to do. See if I have time. Ooh, it's going to be a bit chilly. Be good? Yeah. Okay, number 8's done, 7 to go. We've got 7 waterfalls left, and the clock's ticking, so I'm off on to the next one. This place is beautiful. They have an incredible setup at the start of these waterfalls. So they have like lodgers, they have incredible food, they do breakfast, lunch. It's really well set up. So this is Paradiso complex. It's like a big waterfall complex. We have 8 in total, and I think it's around 3.5 kilometers or so, the full hike to get to the furthest one. And I mean, look at this landscape. It's gorgeous. It's all native vegetation. It's in kind of sits within a national park called Canastra National Park, and very much enjoying my time here. So if you're ever in the area, considering coming here, I would recommend. See, the sun is starting to set. It's the golden hour, and this is the time to enjoy. You know, it's beautiful. Alright, let me find waterfall number 7. Just perfect. Look at this. Gorgeous. It's nice. Alrighty, we're going to crack off 2 more waterfalls now. Complexo and Waterfalls. I'm probably butchering the wording on that. But I do apologise. I am learning Portuguese, but I cannot pronounce it very well yet. So, I'm going to go to these waterfalls, try and be quick because the sun is running out. Alrighty, we are in the 7th waterfall section. This one's sick. This is like, this carved through the mountain in a beautiful cascade, flat down. This is probably my favourite so far. It's pretty unique. I'm not going to go under because I'm enjoying my movement, but I'm going to do this a little bit. Right. Oh yeah. Okay, number 7 done, and 6 more to go. This is fun. This is just one of those kind of chill little challenges. Nothing hyper exciting in this video, unless you come across some sort of mountain lion that tries to eat me on the way, but apart from that, it's just going to be chill, enjoying the day, enjoying the evening. Oh, my feet. Okay, more letters, butterflies. Okay, we're at butterflies now. Man, it's gorgeous everywhere. And you have these little trails you can walk across. It's very cute, very well maintained. Really well designed boards with warnings and all the directions you need. Beautiful place. Hey, waterfall 5. Oh my god, I just freaked out big time. This is a giant spider. I'm going to switch the camera, I don't know if you can see it. It's really big. It's the biggest spider I've probably ever seen. Oh, that is big, hairy. I don't like spiders. They're, you know, gorgeous creatures, but like, that scared me. And was sat on it. Oh god. That was Cashiera lambaris. Onwards. Okay. Hey. Well, first of all, very happy still. This is the view. Very good. This is great cardio. Great landscape. The sun has set, which means it's going to rapidly start getting dark. A little secret, I don't really like being in the dark. I get eaten by a mountain lion or something, so kind of terrifying. I do have a head torch with me though. And yeah, we're going to go down the steep section now. Here it is, here we go. Incredibly treacherous on the old feet, so I would be careful on this section. Coming up's fine, going down, high chance of being injured, slipping, especially if you're in a rush to try and swim in all waterfalls like a crazy person. Yeah. But yeah, you can't beat this. Just fun little personal adventures, it's always good, nothing crazy. And who knows, maybe I'll see a giant anteater along the way. That would be lovely. Okay, I'm going to try and get to the next waterfall. This is waterfall number 4, and this is a kind of a bit of a dangerous one. So I really have to be careful on this one. Nothing in my hands is important. There's a ladder, I think, so it might not be as terrible as I was expecting. It's not too bad. It looks terrifying from the top. The ladder seems fine. Doesn't seem to move. Here we go. Oh, I've got to hope there's no more spiders. That freaked me out earlier. Oh, hey. There we go, there we go. Come on. Come on, legs. Yeah, I'm glad to get this one done before it gets dark. Okay, here we are. Cashiera Complexo. Okay, I didn't say that at all. Well, and I apologise. But this one's very cool. Here we go. So, oh wow. A load of palm trees under here, this cave section. And the water sort of cuts down. And I believe, if I'm quick, and go over here. Okay. Yeah, this kind of runs all the way down this valley. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I'm starting to regret trying to swim in all of these now because it's getting dark. But I did choose the challenge. We're going to get in this one very quickly. Okay. There we go. Oh, this one's deep. There's going to be a monster in here. I gave up foot in my shorts, so I ain't got much time. Oh, okay. We've reached Cachoeira, Sofazinho, little sofa, and yeah, this is probably the last waterfall I'll get in just natural light. This is the third of the 8. It's quite nice little one. I see why it's like a little sofa. It's got like a little ledge and stuff. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I've got too deep. My headphones on now. I'm just a Portuguino, just hanging out. I mean, this counts, I'm in. Oh. Oh, I don't know, I'm crazy now. But this is nice. Only one here, it's dusk, it's chill. Oh, nice. The water's not too cold as well, it's nice and tropical. Oh. Okay, try to get the last 2 done. It's going to be dark, I'll have to have the head torch on. Wish me luck, hopefully I'm still alive by the end of this video. Now dark. I've got about 2.5 kilometres to the next waterfall. I've got a head torch, so it's going to be fine. Let's keep pushing. 2 more waterfalls to go. Maybe I'll see some wildlife, who knows. Perfect evening. As the sun sets, a nice dark red and orange band. Gorgeous. Gorgeous evening. Moon's looking bright. Should be good. Won't be too dark then. Lovely, lovely little evening hike. Okay, we're making good progress. This downhill section's a little bit tough on the knees. But this route's good cardio, this challenge is good cardio, it's fun. 2 more waterfalls. Great temperature. It's quite peaceful. I've got my bit of music on, bit of Moby is actually playing. So I'm in the flow. Flowing along these beautifully prepared trails. And everything should be fine. Oh. I do get a bit scared in the dark. Don't know why, but it's just survival instincts kicking in. Helps you run faster though. Okay, catch you at the second waterfall, second to last. We've reached second to last waterfall, Paradiso. We've started at Triangulo, Vaikrempod, Borboletas, Lambrais, Corquineros and Solfinho. And now we're doing Paradiso 2 in the dark. It's 200 metres away, so let's get there. And then I'll get the final one done, and then I can chill in my hammock. Let's hope I don't get eaten by a mountain lion in the next 2 videos. 2 clips. Here we are, Paradiso 2. We are making our way down now. Whew. Some people have done some little rock balancing things. Let's see if we can get a view of the little waterfall. Okay, here we are. I mean, you can't really see it this time of night, but it's a very beautiful one. I'm still going to have to go in though, it's part of the rules. We're going into Paradiso 2. Oh, actually after that run it's quite nice. It's quite deep though. I don't know if you can see it. Right, here we go, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, it's quite deep. Oh. Refreshing after a 3K run. Oh. Okay, one more waterfall to do. There we go. There's the final waterfall. Yay! Again,